Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Grade 7. These are revision tasks for grammar and the solve task, 4 tasks that you have to focus for your first term examination. So today I am going to make a revision video. So we'll start from task number 1. Write possessive, contraction or plural to identify the type of noun underlined. You will find the answer in green. The Pony Express name comes from the mail carrier riding ponies. So here express name is possessive. When you find two nouns together, that would be a possessive case, like express name. Name is a noun, express is a noun. Pony Express is a noun and name is also a noun. Number 2, Senator William H. Russell freighting firm funded the Pony Express. Again is possessive because William H. Russell is a name and freighting is also a name. Two noun comes together. So that's possessive case when there is apostrophe s. Number 3, Russell's better known than Senator William Govan, the man who helped him. Here is a contraction. Why? Because Russell is better known. So known is a verb, better is an adjective, and Russell. So when you find apostrophe is and after that comes a verb, so that is a contraction. Contraction means shortcut form of the helping verb. Russell is better known. Number 4, however, the cost soon dropped to only $1, and it's a simple plural because you cannot, there is no apostrophe is, so it's simple plural. Number 5, the rider's equipment included a special mailbox and sometimes a weapon. Rider's equipment again is a possessive, rider is a noun and equipment is also a noun. Number 6, Barry's adoration for his grandmother brought her much joy. Now here start concrete and abstract noun. Joy is a abstract noun. And here the underlined word, when they ask a concrete noun, it's a false. Joy is an idea which is in the mind, you cannot see, that's why it is an abstract noun, while they are saying the underlined word is a concrete noun, which is a false. Number 7, the barber shop quartet rehearsed in the cafeteria. Cafeteria is an underlined word which is a concrete noun, because you can see the place, that cafeteria, and it's true. Number 8, if anyone has a better idea, I'll support it. So idea, as you know, it is an abstract noun, and also here we are being said the underlined word is an abstract noun, and that's true. Number 9, the spectators saw the entire production on a huge monitor. So monitor is something that you can see. This is underlined word. And the underlined word is abstract, and here they are saying it's an abstract word, noun, which is false because it is a concrete. Number 10, cleanliness important to my mother. The underlined word is a concrete noun. Now cleanliness is an idea in the mind, so it's false. Moving to the next task, which is choose the right option. This A, B. Number 1, speaker phones are already commonplace in some American homes. Speaker phones, because it's simple plural. How would you know? Because right after that come are helping verb. Number 2, the cellular phone's mobility is very convenient. The option is B, because mobility is a noun and cellular is a noun, so two nouns get together. In that case, we need possessive, which is obviously option number B. Cellular phones mobility. Phones is a noun, mobility is a noun. Number 3, many Satellites have replaced familiar phone lines. Now it's simple plural, satellites, because right after that plural noun comes helping verb, have. Number 4, satellite communication eliminates many delays, simple plural. Number 5, new horizons are upon us as we enter the 21st century. Simple plural because helping verb, it's being followed by a helping verb which is horizon. Number 6, choose true or false. Many people consider Owen the greatest track and field athlete ever. The underlined action verb is a mental. So that's true because consider takes place inside the mind. Number 7, Owen's strong performance angered Adolf Hitler. The underlined word is a physical, that's a false because it angered him. It inside the mind it happened, and he has yet to take any action. Number 8, Owen wore a vector oak leaf crown during the presentation ceremony. The underlined action verb is a mental. Now, wear is something as a physical activity, so that false. Number 9, Owen's letter gave many speeches about values and moral principle. The underlined action verb is a physical, which is true because gave is a physical activity and action. Number 10, another African American athlete captured the world's attention in the 1960s in Italy Games. The underlined action verb is a physical, which is false. Moving to the next task, which number 1 is the happy baby wore a toothless grin. The underlined word is a transitive verb. For transitive, intransitive, I want to mention reiterate the idea about transitive verb or intransitive verb. Transitive verb takes the object while intransitive verb does not take object. Here they are saying transitive verb, which is true because toothless grin is an object for that verb, so it is transitive. Number 2, New Zealand lies. It should not be New Zealand lies. Here this I is not, so you need to take care about that one. So I would also underline this one, that is cutting. New Zealand lies about 1,000 miles, approximately 1,600 kilometers southeast of Australia. The underlined word is an intransitive verb, because it doesn't have any object. Lies is a verb which does not have any object, so in that case it's true, it's intransitive verb. Number 3, city council meets once a week. The underlined word is a transitive verb. No, it's false, it's intransitive, while here they are saying transitive. Number 4, Maria prepares dinner for the family. The underlined word is intransitive verb, and that is false because this prepare we have dinner, and dinner is an object. If we have object in the sentence, that word must be a transitive verb, while we are being said that it's transitive, we say false. Number 5, the new reporter lifted her eyebrow in disbelief. The underlined word is a transitive verb, which is true. Lifted eyebrow, so eyebrow is an object for that. Number 6, the electrician installed the light fixture. The underlined word is indirect object, and that false. Here we start direct object, indirect object. This is false because this is not indirect object, it is direct object. In a sentence we can have either direct object or indirect object, or we can have both of them. Now, as we mentioned in the class many times, in the revision classes also, that indirect object, how would you name? Or him, her, me, you, them, it. So that are usually these are indirect object. Other are direct object. Number 7, the eager student showed the teacher her latest poem. Now, teacher here is a indirect object, which is also a form here. The underlined word is indirect, as I told you. This teacher's name showed the teacher. Number 8, the young girl could not describe her feelings. The underlined indirect object, no. They say indirect object, This is direct object, so it is false. Number 9, Alice explained the movie plot to Troy. The underlined word is a direct object, and that's true. Number 10, the roller coaster gave me an upset stomach. The underlined word is an indirect object, and that is true. As I told you, me, him, her, them, you, it, or name. So I mention it again and I revise it again, that you should focus upon use direct and indirect object. Now the last answer from the next is multiple choice. Lavanda plays with her baby brother every night before bedtime. Now if you see that A present, B past, C future, so it's obviously plays with is present. Number 2, the stock market crashed in October 1929, and crash is definitely past, so the option B. Number 3, the puppy followed its master everywhere. Now followed is a past tense, and which come B, so obviously it's B option. Number 4, our country will elect a new leader, that's easy, well future, and future is on option number C that you can see. Number 5, my grandparents remember the old radio dramas. Remember is a past, and option A, so option A is the correct answer. Number 6, write in the blank the tense of the verb as indicated in parentheses. So the student council help, and here you can see help or present. So when they ask you to use present tense while using the verb help, and student council is, you see, is using a collective noun as a collective entity. So we use, because it is singularity shows. This is a singular noun, helps, student council. If the collective noun used as an individual entity, in that case we use with is or is as a individual noun, as a singular noun, like student council, helps communication between teacher and student. Number 7, the student, the continent of Europe borders Asia, so present use, and continent of Europe is singular, so borders with is in present tense. Number 8, the school newspaper always lists, school newspaper lists present. Number 9, Barney fetches, the second option is not correct, sticks only for his master. Number 10, the leaves swirl busily in the fall breeze. So leaves are plural, so we don't use is or is. So in the last question, you can see in all these in fill in the blanks option only present tense. So you have to focus on your revision for grammar paper, and particularly these revision task, and hopefully you would have understood and do revision again and again. Inshallah you would go through your exam successfully. Okay, good luck and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.